Okay, so let's look at some features here. I have a presentation that I want to look at, and I also have some speaker notes on some slides that I want to see as well. At least I did. Where did they go? Here they are. So I got some speaker notes down here, but I want to be able to talk through the speaker notes, but I need to be able to see them at the same time. So you can do that if you go to, instead of just presenting, which fills your whole screen, go to Presenter View, right, which is in the little drop down here, and you get two screens. You have one tab that has the actual presentation, right? And you get this little presenter view that shows you the screen that you're on. It shows you the previous slide, the next slide, and ta-da, the speaker notes that you want to speak to. The notes you want to prompt yourself with for actually presenting. That way you can limit what people see on screen so they're not overwhelming them with a paragraph of information, but just focus on what they need to see. So when you go to record this, instead of basically recording your whole desktop, you're going to record a browser tab only. All right, so browser tab, and this is in Screencastify, by the way. I'm going to click record, and it should bring up the tab that I'm in. So now I'm in the tab that I'm in, and I can go back to, I do Alt-Tab to see all the things that are open. To get back to my presenter view, and I'm recording basically the screen in the background while I kind of see this side of things. So I can see what's being presented, as well as read through the notes and the next slide and the next slide accordingly. Right? And I can also make sure, that way I can basically fill the screen with an image I want them to see, I want the audience to see, to kind of make that point more salient.